Hello learners, today we are going to learn how to bake a cake using the rubbing in method. We will need the following ingredients: 200 grams of baking flour, some baking powder, or 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of margarine, 100 grams of sugar, some salt, an egg, and a little milk. We will need the following equipment: a greased cake tin or small souffleur, a wooden spoon, a mixing bowl, a big sieve, a fork, a cooling rack, and a clean plate to serve. For the previous preparation, begin by improvising an oven. We will need a jiko, a big souffleur with a lid and sand. Putting sand in a big souffleur and leaving it to heat. For our baking tin we will use a souffleur. Prepare the souffleur by greasing it with margarine, brown paper or grease-proof paper. Dust the greased souffleur with flour and then shake off the excess flour. Measure 2 level teaspoons of baking powder and add them to the flour. Sieve the flour and the baking powder together in a large bowl. Add in a pinch of salt. Add the margarine and rub it in using the fingertips. As you're rubbing the margarine into the flour, lift the mixture up from the bowl so that the air goes through it. Rub in until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Add in the sugar and mix well. Break the egg into a small bowl and beat it with a fork until air bubbles form. Using a wooden spoon, make a depression or a well in the middle of the rubbed-in mixture. Pour the beaten egg into the depression and mix the ingredients together using a spoon. Add a little milk or water at a time using a spoon. And continue mixing until you get a smooth dropping mixture. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking tin or souffleur. Put the baking tin or souffleur with the cake mixture in the improvised oven. Cover the big souffleur with a lid and place hot charcoal on the lid. Allow the cake to bake for about 30 minutes or until the cake is well written and brown. To test if the cake is cooked, insert a fork or knife in the middle of the cake. If the fork comes out clean, then the cake is cooked. Remove carefully from the oven and turn it out on a cooling rack. Leave it to cool. When cool, serve on a clean plate.